All right.
Good morning from the ridge.
We're back
Good
at
morning, guys.
it. I mean, it's the same video. It is.
I know.
Trust me.
I know. Same video, different day.
Okay.
Yeah. We're gonna get the head together today, guys.
Yeah.
So yesterday we did the rail system. Today we're doing the head. And
We are.
we're actually gonna have a log put together. So
You girls okay over there?
We're good. We're just
We're
laughing.
I don't know
Swear
what.
there's no Irish cream in this coffee.
Yeah. Coffee, she
It's
says.
coffee.
It's coffee.
Espresso, she says. Uh-huh. Y'all
Right,
believe
well,
that as much as I do, don't you?
Let's get that head going.
I don't know. We're gonna do work because I don't know what else to do with her,
You're
y'all.
gonna go giggle in the camper.
Well, good morning. It's a little gloomier today than expected, but the misty stuff stopped. So today's the day, y'all. I went ahead and got it moved over, but wow, like a nincompoop. I didn't film taking the forms off. I should have, but it came out really, really good. All the way down through. So, and then we're actually going to be reusing these forms as our bottom like sill plate, because there's a fellow that drives this truck that went ahead and already milled up some pieces.
Hey, everybody.
We got Eric, Tilted K.
How's it going?
So I'm been calling in backup on some of these projects. So you all seen we got Keith over here, and he did a phenomenal job at
Fantastic.
smoothing this concrete out. So, and he had the tools and everything, so I didn't have to rent nothing. It was awesome. Eric gives me the advantage because, one, I mean, the guy doesn't come empty-handed. He comes with a truckload of lumber, but he's already has this mill, the exact same one. So
And I got the mill hat, guys. I look professional today.
we're it's almost going to be scary if we know what we're doing today, but you know, I'm sure I'll mess something up because, wow, it's me. We do that as long as it doesn't involve taking it all the way apart.
That's what I'm here for, guys. So when it goes horribly wrong, we have someone to blame it on.
The much needed adult supervision. So yeah, we're gonna get started, guys. I'm sure there's gonna be a process of, these are gonna go down on top of the concrete, and that'll be kind of like a subframe / shock absorber, so that the mill isn't sitting straight on here taking a chance of moving or cracking the concrete. I'm not worried about cracking it really, because we ordered 4,000 psi concrete to come in, knowing the amount of weight would go on here. But yeah, this thing's phenomenal.
That's all right. I think that's gonna work fine for us.
That's good enough for the ridge.
Tree more of them.
Okay, so set you up here. You're hanging out on a tractor. We're gonna go ahead and get our beams that we just screwed, all the 2x6s. We're gonna get them set. We think we've got a rough idea of distance, but we're gonna be able to move them around before we really tie everything in and get the rails on. So I don't know, sounds right. We got the instructions, we got some stuff laid out. Now this one, typically if you order just the mill, you're gonna get 2 of those sections, but I ordered an extension, so we got 3. Okay, so we just had some lunch. Awesome, as usual. And gonna go ahead and get things set up. So we've got them together. They're snug, not tight. We've got to go down and we squared it corner to corner, and now we've got to double check our measurement width-wise, make sure that these bunks are square with the rails, and then get everything all cinched down, and then that'll tie the whole frame straight and square, and then all we have to do is pop the feet in, and we'll work on the level part from there. So it's going to be a lengthy, tedious process, but we'll take you along for as much as Mama edits into it. So we'll get ourselves going here. Okay, well, according to all the little bubble machines, this thing is... Does it look level? Does it look level? I hope so. It's looking pretty awesome, y'all. I mean, we got a mess of tools and all kinds of stuff around, but man, it's a lot gooder.
It is looking good.
Yeah.
Hands are hurting, backs are a little sore. We're definitely getting something done.
Yeah, all these like little bolts putting things in. And of course it doesn't help that I spent like 2.5 days working on the side-by-side and beating bolts out of there, so my hands were already aching.
Yeah.
But everything is looking really good. It's coming together the way that I envisioned it. And Eric seen my vision and was like, yeah, that's gonna work. So
we're almost done with the track system. Just a few more things, but some of the tedious work is done.
Yeah, I think the next step in the book is like the end stops or something. So we'll be checking that, but man, this is just coming together pretty awesome.
Be cutting logs in 24 hours. It's gonna be awesome.
That could be dangerous.
Ooh.
Check this out, guys. Added some bracing in, so this is all tied together now. Now it isn't fastened to the concrete, so if anybody asks, no, it's not. We left a gap on these for rainwater, all that kind of stuff, but we got the dogs are all adjusted. I didn't record it because, well, this thing's going long enough, and I just didn't turn the camera on. We were getting work done. So this guy, his license says Eric. Real title, Lifesaver.
No, come on now.
I know we still have daylight. Eric's got an hour drive home. We've put in a day.
Yeah.
Like, holy moly. And so tomorrow will be head assembly.
Yep.
So you guys will see it in the same video, but for us, it'll be the next day. So
that's right.
All right, well, we're out for now. We'll see you putting the head together. All right.
Good morning from the ridge.
We're back
Good
at
morning, guys.
it. I mean, it's the same video. It is.
I know.
Trust me.
I know. Same video, different day.
Okay.
Yeah. We're going to get the head together today, guys.
Yeah.
So yesterday we did the rail system. Today we're doing the head. And
We are.
we're actually going to have a log put together. So
You girls okay over there?
We're good. We're just
We're
laughing.
good.
I don't know
Swear
what.
there's no Irish cream in this coffee.
Yeah. Coffee, she
It's
says.
coffee.
It's coffee.
Espresso, she says. Uh-huh. Y'all
Right,
believe
well,
that as much as I do, don't you?
Let's get that head going.
I don't know. We're gonna do work because I don't know what else to do with her,
You're
y'all.
gonna go giggle in the camper. Hang on, make sure that I'm grabbing stuff. that's good to grab. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Everything's loosely but tight but loose everywhere. It's all together, hand cranked. The only thing we didn't put on yet was the handle, but I want to wait until it's actually on the rail system. But here's the exciting part. See these lovely little bad pajamas? There's gonna be a chain and a tractor. No heavy lifting around here. Think that'll line up.
Should, and then you just gotta tighten that. So, oh, look at that. That's perfect.
Oh gosh. Go there.
Tighten it up to what you feel is snug.
I got tension there.
Okay. Now go, you can go 3. I recommend 2.5 full turns.
So
That's a half a turn.
half, 1, 1.5, 2,
Okay.
2.5.
Like I said the other day, because it's a brand new blade,
Mm-hmm.
let the blade stretch out a little bit first.
Does that feel too tight?
No, that's fine. And hear how it's tinking on the thing?
Yeah.
If this was riding on it, I'd only hear it over there. This doesn't ride on them.
Okay, gotcha.
See? So once you've gotten your tension, one of the main things I found you want to do is you want to make sure that your blade is tracking true on both wheels. That wheel is fixed. This wheel has an adjustment in the back that you can tip it this way and tip it this way. And if you tip it any of those ways, the blade will track off. So before I start every one, I put the tension on it. And if you guys look right down in here, can they see that?
Yeah. We got
Right
the
in
whole
here.
wheel in view.
You want to turn this the direction of the cut. Watch your fingers on the knuckles. And make sure that the blade doesn't walk in, walk out, or do anything like that. It should stay, it'll center, and then it should stay exactly the same. So you can see it's about, I don't know what, 1/16 of an inch.
Something. It doesn't seem like it's
But it's not
walking off or...
No, it's staying right there. So that means this wheel is in the proper position. As far as the blade goes, you're ready to cut. We just need to adjust your head to match the bunk.
Right. And then put oil and gas in it.
And hook up the throttle.
Yeah. we've gotten, it's all the little things and the minor adjustments. The track, it's rolling on the track perfect.
Yeah.
But this is, in case you guys hadn't seen before, the Woodland Mills HM122, and I got it with a 7-horse option. Now they have the bigger, I don't know, I may or may not regret that decision. Honestly, what I've seen on there was with the smaller engine, it just means you have to cut slower. So and then, so yeah, we're gonna get the head all adjusted to make sure it's not tracking wrong. We got to put our handle on this side because it's got the throttle handle, and then our measuring, make sure our measuring thing is, it's somewhat, it doesn't have to be 100% perfect, but I'll probably throw the level on it and you can adjust it so that this clamp system, because you can adjust here, I want it to be able to track up and down this. So for me and my OCD-ness, I'm gonna make sure it's straight up and down. But okay, well, we'll set you up and let you watch. I'm not gonna do the step-by-step, it's in the book. So
I think we are ready to start. What do you think, Jason?
I think we're ready to do something.
All right.
That says on, that makes a choke. Let's see. Well, that wasn't so hard.
Beautiful.
And then
I need to get you one of those big brushes, my love.
so is your mill square? So that is exactly, that's 4 1/8. Where's that? That's 4 1/8. Pretty close. That's 4 inches. That's 4 inches, which means you're cutting a straight board all the way around and you're square.
That's so cool. Yay, I'm so excited.
I do too sometimes.
Hello.
Guys, look behind me. It's freaking done.
Finally.
Yeah.
It's got a log on it.
It does.
Check it out. The
Oh,
first
yeah.
4x4.
So awesome that Eric not only came over and helped put it together, right? And then he brought Missy to make sure all the final stuff was, you know, actually in line and square, and, you know, our bellies were full.
Yeah.
He brought logs.
Yeah.
So we got one cut, but we got to cut this short because they've got an hour ride home, and then hopefully have enough time to bleep bloop and kick it on alive tonight. So
Yeah. So if you guys haven't already checked him out, jump over to Tilted K Homestead. They are doing some crazy stuff, and go back and watch some of the earlier things. They worked themselves like dogs, I tell you, trying to get everything ready, and they're just amazing.
You're too kind.
And y'all have become such good friends.
so
yes,
amazing.
yes, we have.
And the
Yeah.
fellowship is always amazing.
Yeah.
That's the greatest part. I'm glad we got a project done and we could work on something together. And got to, you know, you all witnessed it, but they got to see it firsthand of me milling a first log on our sawmill.
Yeah.
So, you know, we didn't have enough projects. This is definitely going to step it up.
Yeah, I'm
yeah.
so excited.
So-
But thank you guys so much.
Guys,
No
thanks for
problem.
coming
We couldn't have done it
along.
without you.
Make sure you go check them out, right?
Yes.
Right here.
Thanks, guys.
Super easy. Okay. And
Till next time, folks.
we'll
Peace
see
out
ya.
from the ridge. Bye.